How do you do? I'm Dakota Jackson, and I'm the director of Dakota Jackson, which is an international furniture design, manufacturing, and sales organization. I'm very proud to have been selected to be part of the FD 2021 jury to select 100 of the world's top designers. In this case, I've chosen 5 as my leading designers because they each represent a different voice or a different way of approaching design. First is Pauline Capto and Louise Bellinger, and they have produced the chair called Dune. Dune is very elemental, very simple. Black finished chair, 4 legs, tubular legs with a half moon back and then an aurora surrounding it. My next choice is Bruno Hussin, who has developed a group of pods called Kubo. And they are a group of 6 stools that fit into its own unit, which can roll around. And immediately it does speak of this idea of adaptability. My next choice is Noé Ducheval Laurence for a chair called, a lounge chair called Hello. And it is, again, very simple in its design, and yet it has a particular expression of comfort. My next choice is from a designer named Julien Vidam, and it's called Coquillage. It's simply a shelf, but it's more than a shelf because it has a sense of poetry. It has a sense of movement. It has a sense of being very, very lyrical. My next choice is Émile Humbert and Christopher Poet. They have done an installation in the United States called Aquazzura. And it's very theatrical in its presentation, this interior, but it's also evocative of design that took place in the first part of the 20th century. Again, I'm Dakota Jackson, and I head up a company which I founded in the early 70s, so it's been a lifetime for me. It's not the market that moves me. It's the desire, when I believe in an object, to see it produced. And one could say that effectively, that's the story of my life. Thank you.
So the question is, what effort I will do to open myself to the world? For me, there is no effort to do, actually. It's more being yourself as natural as possible. And one thing I'm really forcing myself to do as maximum as I can is this. Sketching. I'm sketching a lot. All my projects are made by sketch first, and then we go for other things, 3D or mock-ups or models. But all my ideas are coming in the drawings. So my hand, my pen, that's all my companions, paper, my companions for these projects. Everything is born from there.
Our studio is based in the cosmopolitan and multicultural city of Brussels, which is also the capital of Europe. In a way, this influences the way we work. Opening up to the world comes naturally and is inspired by our location and our job. We work in collaboration with international design brands to create objects, furniture, and lighting.
Hello, my name is Julien Vidam. I'm from Paimpol in Brittany, where I find the inspiration for my designs, like the shelf Coquillage. It's handmade locally by craftsmen masters of brass. For me, exporting works with a good balance between local culture, know-how and wholesale. It's precisely by forging strong relationships with foreign partners as Archi Products in Italy for the past 10 years that I'm opening up to the world.
Après avoir travaillé avec des entreprises européennes, je souhaite accompagner de plus en plus des entreprises françaises pour leur développement à l'international. Aider celles-ci à voir loin, travailler en local avec des valeurs éthiques, mais pensée internationale. Nous avons, en tant que designers français, la chance d'avoir un univers culturel très riche, à nous d'en tirer parti pour porter haut les couleurs de notre héritage.
Je pense qu'en tant que designer, on a aussi un rôle, c'est celui de retranscrire et réinterpréter une certaine idée du style français et toujours le faire dialoguer avec l'artisanat local dans lequel les projets vont s'inscrire à l'étranger.
On s'inspire de tout ce qui nous entoure, même des choses que les gens ne voient plus, ne regardent plus. Nos sources d'inspiration sont illimitées. On s'inspire de cultures et d'époques différentes. On se refuse de rien chez Humbert et Pauline.